In this video I will show you how to create a poster design in Photoshop. First of all, we will take a page size A4. Unhide this image layer. Go to Rectangular tool. We'll choose the color white. Draw the shape. Go to Type tool. Type your text. Adjust the text. Select the text layer. Right-click and choose Blending option. Fill opacity 0. Knockout shallow. Press OK. Select the first two layer. Click this group. Go to Rectangular tool. Draw the shape. Change the blending mode to multiply. Go to Circle tool. Draw the shape. Change the blending mode multiply. Now we will make a copy of this shape by pressing Alt-Shift press move this shape. Go to Type tool. Change color is white. Change the font style. Type your text. Adjust the text. Go to Type tool. Change color is black. Change the font style. Type your text. Adjust the text. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.